to everyone. How are you? I think all are good at your home. So today we start your next lecture on elementary idea about continental drift. This the topic is part of your unit third of second topic. Okay, so shall we start to your topic? So now we start your today's topic, elementary idea about basically the continental drift. It is a plate tectonic. The continental drift and the seafloor spreading and the plate tectonic. These are interconnected. Okay, so first one that's drift. Then we discuss the seafloor spreading, trenches, how to develop trenches. Then we go to the plate tectonic in the last unit. Okay, so now started. That's so in your image that the continental drift theory. That's general introduction about first of all. Then we describe one by one all the things. Okay, the continental drift theory is Alfred Wegener. He is a German climatologist, but that are also geomorphologists and also the botanists because they have a deep knowledge about that subject also. Okay, so postulated in this continental drift theory is proposed on year of 1922, but he's postulated at the end 1912. Okay, so the aim of this theory it is to explain the climate, prove the ocean basins and continents as stable and the constant or the continents drift, hence climate changes. Okay, तो postulating क्या क्या इसमें concepts थे जिसके through वो पता चला कि continental drift क्या है. First, 3 layers of Cial Simonife, and at that time Alfred Wegener create this theory. On that time, the not crust mantle core we called the layers of the earth, but we called and that time the Cial Simonife. The Cial floating on the Sima and the Carbonaceous there was a Pangaea. In the Carbonaceous age, there was only the one continent that is called Pangaea. The Pangaea is surrounded by the Panthalassa, जो sea एक था एक उससे created था. Now in the end of Carbonaceous, Pangaea was divided into the Laurasia and Gondwana land, and the Tethys seas surrounded या open. Okay, पहले क्या हुआ जैसे कि आपका कार्बोनेशियस एज में आपका एक कॉन्टिनेंट वो कुछ दो फोर्स की वजह से डिवाइड हो गया दो पार्ट्स में. दैट पार्ट इज कॉल्ड ल्यूरेशिया एंड गोंडवाना, और वहां पे पैंथालसा की जगह एक नया सीजन फॉर्म हुआ दिस इज कॉल्ड टेथियस सी, टेथियस ओपन. ओके, जो फोर्स थे इनके डिवाइडेशंस में दैट फोर्स आर बायोन्सी on equator and tidal force. Tidal force is a force that comes from the moons. Okay, so next now that's also a diagram of that's Pangaea. Now this situation of the world continents, and now we discuss continental theory. First of all, the history we can down the formation of the theory. The Francis Bacon in the mid 1600, Bacon noticed that there an odd puzzle species fit between America and South America. इन्होंने देखा फ्रांसिस बेकन ने देखा 1600 में कि दो कॉन्टिनेंट्स हैं जिसमें साउथ अमेरिका और अफ्रीका जो कि एक पजल पीसेस के रूप में फिट दिखते हैं. ओके, नाउ द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द थ्योरी. एंटोनियो स्नाइडर इन पेलग्रीन ने देखा था 1850 enhanced Bacon's discovery. जो बाइकन्स ने डिस्कवर किया उसको ही आगे कंपेयरिंग द coast lines of Africa and South America, but it was still rejected by most people. और फिर भी इन्होंने जब उसको आगे बढ़ाया फिर भी उस चीज को रिजेक्ट कर दिया गया. फिर आपके जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं डायग्राम में, जैसा पहले ही आपका सीज के साथ ज्वाइनिंग जिगजैग इन फॉर्म, now is separated to the Now the Alfred Wegener in 1915 suggested that the fit between Africa South America was due to the continental drift. इन्होंने ही बताया 1915 1915 में कि जो आपका कॉन्टिनेंट्स है अफ्रीका और साउथ अमेरिका दैट्स आर ड्यू टू द कॉन्टिनेंटल ड्रिफ्ट की वजह से ही डिफरेंस दिखने। सो व्हाट वाज द कॉन्टिनेंटल ड्रिफ्ट? प्रपोज दैट आर वंस जॉइंड टुगेदर इन अ सिंगल लैंड मास कॉल्ड Pangaea, that's supercontinent. Okay. The theory of continental drift. The theory of the continental drift is proposed by 1912 Alfred Wegener. The theory of continental drift, Alfred Wegener in 1912 proposed a large supercontinent that called the Pangaea split into the smaller fragments about 200 to 300 million years ago. These then drifted apart from the present arrangement of continents. इन्होंने कहा कि 200 से 300 लाख वर्ष पूर्व एक कॉन्टिनेंट सुपर कॉन्टिनेंट Pangaea वो स्प्लिट हुआ स्मॉलर फ्रैगमेंट्स में, जिसका कि हम प्रेजेंट सिनेरियो में देखते हैं कि जो डिफरेंट कॉन्टिनेंट he had to satisfactory mechanism to offer but to a less dense continent floating and drifting over a more dense oceanic crust like icebergs in the oceans or like. So most geologists were highly skeptical and the idea was not widely accepted. Now this was the Wegener thought Pangaea looked like 200 and 300 million years ago. The Pangaea and the Tethyan Sea is like that. Okay, can you spot the present continents? Present continents में spot कर सकते हैं. We will now review the evidence that led Wegener to propose his theory of by the continental drift. ये देखिएगा, is now divided. The Panthalassa is divided. The Gondwana land and the Laurasia. Laurasia is divided only at two continents, that's North America and Eurasia. But Gondwana land is divided into the several continents, that's South America, Africa, Antarctica, India, and Australia. That's a journey of your continental drifting in the Pangaea 237 million years ago. 230. Just wait. Okay, and the Panthalassa, that's a Pangaea. This Pangaea is 237 million years ago. It's a one land, the Pangaea and the Gondwana and Laurasia. Now these Pangaea, Gondwana and Laurasia is divided the several continents. That the Gondwana land is South America, Africa, India, Australia and Antarctica, and Laurasia they have North America and Eurasia. Now the 195 million years ago, and then after 150 million years ago, the North America, Eurasia, South Africa, India, Australia, and Antarctica. Now no one the Gondwana and Laurasia. Then 66 million years ago, North America, South America, Africa, India, Australia, Antarctica, Eurasia has also be separate to each other, and then now in the modern world they are separated to each other. You can see in the image this one of world triangle. Okay, so next we done it. That's the image of satellite image of the Pangaea and Gondwana. The evidence फर्स्ट वन इज द फिट ऑफ द कॉन्टिनेंट. जो आपके कॉन्टिनेंट से वो एक तरीके से एक पजल्स जो होती हैं, हम जब कहते हैं कि एक ब्लॉक दूसरे ब्लॉक से एकदम ज्वाइंट सा लगता है, अगर हम उसको जोड़ें तो एक लगता है कि उसी का एक पार्ट है. फर्स्ट एविडेंस कहता है फिट ऑफ द कॉन्टिनेंट. सिमिलैरिटी ऑफ द फॉसिल इन कॉन्टिनेंट्स, और कुछ उन कॉन्टिनेंट्स की आपस में कुछ ना कुछ सिमिलैरिटी आपस में मिलती जुलती है. फॉसिल्स कंटेंट, जो कंटेंट आपको अमेरिका साउथ अफ्रीका में मिलता है वही आपको दूसरी कंटिनेंट यानी कि इंडिया में भी वही के पार्टीशन आपको मिलता है. द सिमिलैरिटी ऑफ रॉक टाइप एंड एज अलोंग द मैचिंग कोस्ट लाइन, और उन पर्टिकुलर कॉन्टिनेंट्स की कोस्ट लाइन पे जो रॉक्स टाइप आपको मिलता है उनका सिमिलर एज का होना भी एक एविडेंस आपका प्रूव करता है दैट से कॉन्टिनेंट्स आर ड्रिफ्टेड. द कंटिन्यूटी ऑफ जियोलॉजिस्ट फ्रॉम द कॉन्टिनेंट टू कॉन्टिनेंट एंड द प्रेजेंस all seen in Antarctica and delights. Okay, one by we discuss these evidence. Fit of the continent, self-break edges of each continent. You can see the in continent they have a self-break edges of each continent. coastline of South America and Africa and North America and Europe, we can see it. These shelf breakage suggest that the continent once joined together, like that. You can see in that diagram, this zigzag form is look like is a part of before a time of one continent. Is also British ice is also joined together to under California mountain, North America and Greenland, and these S type of phase is called the mid-oceanic age also. Okay. So next, similarity of fossils in a different continent. The fossil traces and remains of organisms that lived prehistoric times. जो prehistoric times में fossils contain traces remains to both the continents which is similar. Similarity of fossils in a different continents. Mesosaurus found along the coastline of Africa and South America. The distributing of species are limited to these traces only. Like that. यहाँ पे आपको साउथ अफ्रीका में भी ये आपको मिल रहे हैं और अफ्रीका के ट्रेसेस मिलते हैं. The fossils remain of the half-meter long fresh or brackish water reptiles, Mesosaurus, and the Mesosaurus flourished in the early of Mesozoic era about 240 million years ago. Mesosaurus had a limbs of swimming but could also walk on land. Other fossil evidence found in the rock along with the Mesosaurus indicate they lived in the lake, the coastline. Okay, so now Glossopteris is also a plant fossils is a fern-like plant which is polar climates. Okay, there are the fossil evidence we can find to each other continents. Okay, fossils remains a sign of Ganathus and land reptile approximately 3 meters long that lived during the early Mesozoic era about 230 million years ago. It is being swim. Okay, fossil evidence of early Mesozoic land-feeding reptiles, the Storosaurus, reproductive by line acts on. Okay, by about 300 million years ago, a unique community of plants had evolved known as the European flora. Fossil of these plants is found in Europe and other areas also. Okay, these are the fossil evidence. Now the third one, similarity of rock types and age along the matching coastline. The close match between the rock in northwestern coast of Africa and the eastern Brazil, South Africa, South America. South America में Brazil के coastlines में यानी eastern parts में, Africa के northwestern parts की similar type of rock आपको मिलता है. The age of rock are also similar, 500 year old to 2B year old. The community of geological features from continent to continent. Mountain ranges line up along the matching coastline. Appalachian Mountain trends the northwest along the east coast of USA and Scandinavia. Okay, that's like A and B. Okay. Presence of coal seams of Antarctica. Coal formed from organic matter such as dead plants and animals. Antarctica was once inhabited by the lots of organisms. Antarctica was once closer to the equator. Tillits, deposits of rock debris left by glaciers. Tillits of the same ages were found in Africa, South America, India, and Australia. इसके वहाँ proofs मिल जाते हैं, evidence and glaciers. ठीक है, तो इंडिया में ग्लेशिएशन का ना अंटार्कटिका एंड अफ्रीका के आधे पार्ट्स में ना ये प्रूफ करता जाए सारे कॉन्टिनेंटल वाइज डिवाइडेड टू Pangaea. Okay, theory was rejected. Wagner could not present explain the mechanism of continental drift. तो इस वजह से theory को reject कर दिया गया था. But we can after the theory of split tectonics they proved that the continental was drifting. Okay, so today's topic was finished. If any question and query and doubt, you can just contact to me and my WhatsApp number and through my mail. Okay, tomorrow we discuss about the sea floor spreading. How do the sea floor was spread it out, and then the trenches and the mid-oceanic regions how to develop. Okay, what about your tests? Maybe test after the completion of the courses we can arrange the test, because I will prepare your test series, then after we conduct the test examination. So for till now we cannot any test, so maximum test we conduct on after the completion of your course. Okay, so thank you guys for listening patiently to me, and next time we can done it your sea floor spreading. Okay, good.